Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about statistics. The topic that is about chi-square test. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to write h of and h1. So the first one, there is no relationship between the gender and the sport. And the next one, there is some difference between the gender and the sport. And this is the answer. Now on the next one, we need to find about expectation in here. So the formula to find the expectation, that is about the sum of the column I multiplied by the sum of the row j divided by the total. That's it in here. So I will put this one multiplied by this one divided by the total in here. And this is about 35. Now we can do similar for the next one. So this one multiplied by this one, and then we divide by this one, and now we just repeat many times. Now we need to calculate about this one. So we need to use about the observation in here. We minus about the expectation to the power of 2 over the expectation. Now we got like this. So after we calculate this one, the chi-square in here, that is about 12.381. And now we need to find the f. The f, that is about the number of rows minus number 1 multiplied by the number of columns minus number 1. So we can see that the number of rows, we just have only 2 rows, minus multiplied by 3 columns minus number 1, and you got about number 2. Now on the question, we have alpha, that is about 0.01. So we can see that the f equals to number 2. Alpha is about 0.01. We got 9.210. Now we need to compare this one and this one. We can see that 12.381 is bigger than 9.21. So that means we need to reject about h of. So we can conclude that there are some difference in here. So, and that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.